Today I want to show you the issue of toxic backlinks. So first of all, many backlinks to your website can only hurt you, and you better remove them. And I'm going to show you the proof why you should do that. So before we begin, let me show you what could be considered as spammy backlinks. So one example is this 4 links, and as you can see, they have the same URL. They're probably copied from one another, and they come from different websites in China that has a trust flow of 0. So they really look suspicious. I didn't add them, no one in my team added them, but they're here and they're only going to hurt you. So what you can do about them, we'll see in a minute. Before that, should you do anything about them? Well, you should. Here's what Google has to say about this. In some circumstances, incoming links can affect Google's opinion of a page or site. For example, you or an SEO optimizer you've hired may have built bad links to your site via paid links or other link schemes that violate our quality guidelines. First and foremost, we recommend that you remove as many spammy or low-quality links from the web as possible. Google developed a very simple tool. You can find it online using the keyword Google Disavow Tool that simply allows you to upload a file in a specific format that will erase all the links you think are spammy. The new feature we added is Toxic Links, and it's a tab under Site Backlinks, currently only available to commercial users. And basically what it does is helping you find and identify the links that are suspicious and filter them, create a list, and send that to Google Disavow Tool. So the way this feature works is that we have around 20 indications that we check for toxicity, and we try to find the backlinks that are most suspicious. You can see the indications here. So for example, this website and this link is it shows in those indications. One of them is that the site is not indexed. The other one is just it has a very low trust flow. And the third indication here is that it has a low trust flow with many links to our website. So all kinds of indications go and show up, and those indications all have a toxic score on them, which accumulates, and in the end you end up with a total toxic score for that link. This way it's easy to identify links that are most suspicious. Once you decide which links are bad for you, what you can do is select them. For example, let's say these, I don't like them, and I think they're spammy. What I do is mark as disavow, and let's do another example. We can use this button as I did before, or I can disavow the entire domain from here, or disavow the URL from here. Once I'm done, what I want to do is to create a file and send that to Google Disavow Tool. And I do that from here. So here's the file. That's it. Another cool thing about this feature is that it has very sophisticated filters. You can see them all on the top, and what they do is, simply because there might be hundreds of links that are suspicious, you want to work and identify easily the ones that you want to disavow. So probably the most used one will be to filter by an issue. So for example, you want to see the ones that are mirror pages, or you want to see the ones that are simply not indexed by Google. You can work on them. Other filters will be to do by referring domain, or by toxic score, trust flow, citation flow.